Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If I lost everything today and had $0 left, this is exactly what I'd do to make money in 2026. And no, it's not crypto, drop shipping, or some get-rich-quick trick. Most people think they need money to make money. That's why they stay stuck. They wait for the right moment or the perfect idea. But while they wait, someone else is already making money. In 2026, money doesn't come from having capital. It comes from having leverage. If you have a phone and internet, you already have enough. Way 1. Skill equals money. First thing I do? Learn one skill that people already pay for. Examples: video editing, AI content, copywriting. Not 10 skills, just one. Because being average at everything pays nothing. Then I'd offer that skill for free or cheap at first, just to get proof and results. Way 2. Content equals leverage. Second, I'd start creating content immediately. Not to go viral, but to build attention. Because attention is the fastest way to money right now. Even 100 viewers can become your first clients. Way 3. Service flip. Third, I'd use something called service arbitrage. Find someone who needs a service and connect them with someone who can do it. You don't need skills to start, just coordination. You keep the difference. Way 4. Use AI. Fourth, I'd use AI as a force multiplier. Content, emails, scripts. People who use AI win. People who ignore it fall behind. It's not cheating, it's leverage. Core message. Notice something? None of this required money. It required action. Most people don't fail because they're broke. They fail because they never start. Quick recap. If I had $0 in 2026, I would learn one skill, create content, connect people, use AI. You don't need money to start. You need to stop waiting. Subscribe if you want real strategies, not fake motivation. Be honest. If you had $0 right now, what would you actually do?